Hello, we meet again in this video, this unboxing video, this quick unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox this 70-minute dashcam or Xiaomi 70mi dashcam. This is the Chinese version that I bought from Lazada, Malaysian Lazada. And this dashcam is not the international version. This is from China. This is the Chinese version, which means everything will be in Chinese. So now let's open this box first. And as you can see here, this is the Chinese version. No English, only a bit. And now let us open it up and see what's inside of this box. And as you can see here, this is a piece of plastic where you stick it on the windshield, on your car windshield, so you don't have to stick the dash cam directly to the windshield, which is very nice. And this manual in Chinese, all are in Chinese. And this is, okay, let us open. Down here is the USB cable, which is around 5 meters long. And this is the dash cam itself. It's quite light, and it's a bit bigger than I thought. And yeah, okay, the sticker is black in color, which is okay, it's good, so it will be not too visible. And this is the power adapter where you stick it inside the cigarette lighter pot in your car. And that's it. This is all that you will get in this box. So see you again in the next video, if there is a next video. Bye.